gather around and tell you about the last time here. If we were here a couple weeks ago, they have this one.
Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem, Karkadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Ba'Hashem, and the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashon Gospel Tone. When I say Barak to the elders when I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places. So lucky for that. I was kind of bugged out. And this is a sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of May 6, 2025 on this Tuesday afternoon. So this is the book of Luke 21 and verse 11. You have Luke 21 and verse 11. It says, you have Luke 21 verse 11. It says, and great earthquakes shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and worse things shall be had. So we definitely going to be seeing these increasing of earthquakes in diverse places, which we're seeing increasing signs of that. That's from the visitation from the Heavenly Father, Yahweh Himself. Better wait for this to go. Wait for it to upload. Let's get to the yeah, this is the book of the latest from earthquakes. Yeah, this is from the latest earthquakes from USGS.gov. This is a total of 42 earthquakes. It says a 2.7 earthquake in Alaska, 2.7 earthquake northwest 9 kilometers up down in California, 3.4 earthquake 247 kilometers southeast of Sitdown, Alaska. And you had a 5.8 earthquake in central East Pacific Ridge. And you had a 5.5 earthquake 49 kilometers south of Alexander Batu region. And then you had a 3.0 earthquake 8 kilometers southwest of Dillington, Virginia. And then you had a 4.4 earthquake recorded 76 kilometers south of La Torre, Chile. You had a 4.6 earthquake 75 kilometers southeast of Indonesia. And you had a 4.4 earthquake 61 kilometers west of northwest of San Antonio, Dios Los Cabres of Argentina. And you had a 5.0 earthquake 120 kilometers east and northeast of Oahu, Tonga. Then you had a 4.5 earthquake 42 kilometers south and southeast of Afonso, Japan. Then you had a 2.5 earthquake recorded 70 kilometers east of Yalmakut, Alaska, if I pronounced that right. And then the same region, you had another 2.6 earthquake recorded 57 kilometers east of northeast of Laklaatu, Alaska. 3.0 earthquake 67 kilometers east of Mandaluyong, BC of Mexico. And then you had a 4.5 earthquake recorded 83 kilometers west of San Antonio, Los Cabres, Argentina. And then you had a 5.0 earthquake recorded 104 kilometers south of east to southeast of Kalamazoo, Hermes, Pakistan, if I pronounced that right. Then you had a 4.6 earthquake 196 kilometers west to northwest in Layu, Tonga, 4.6 earthquake recorded 196 kilometers southwest of Pearl, Indonesia, if I pronounced that right. Then you had a 2.6 earthquake recorded 47 kilometers east of Fort Bidwell, California. 4.8 earthquake 69 kilometers of Cali, again, Papua New Guinea. 4.2 earthquake recorded in the islands of Alaska. 5.3 earthquake recorded. Oh, that was the previous earthquake. So those was the latest earthquakes as of May the 6th, 2025 on this Tuesday afternoon. So we bring up that Luke 21 verse 11 once again. And this is the book of Luke 21 verse 11 reads, it says, a great earthquake shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence, and from precise grace and shall be heaven. Right, so we're going to be seeing more increasing of great earthquakes in diverse places, and the fruitful sights of grace and shall be heaven. And these are moderating famines and pestilence, and the earthquakes in diverse places. So we're going to be seeing the high magnitude of these earthquakes in diverse places. So we're going to be seeing more signs of that. This is the book of 2 Ezra, chapter 9, verse 3. It says, therefore, when there shall be seen earthquakes in across the world. Right, so that's what we're seeing in the world today with these increasing earthquakes. It's the book of Psalms. It's the book of Psalms 18 and verse 7. It says, then the earth shook and trembled, and the founders also was heroes and moved or shaken because of this rock. Right, because that's the visitation from the Heavenly Father Yahweh with these earthquakes. With these earthquakes that we're seeing, so we're going to be seeing more signs of them. Yeah, this is the prophet Isaiah, chapter 29, verse 6. It says, thou shalt be visited of Yahweh of hosts with thunder and with earthquake, great winds and storms, temps and flame by fire. Watch, so that's the visitation of Yahweh of hosts, especially with the earthquakes. That's the key word of the earthquakes. So we're going to see more signs of that. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of the latest of earthquakes in diverse places as of May the 6th, 2025 on this Tuesday afternoon. So with that, I'd like to give all praises, sing glory, and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem Ba'Kadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son Ba'Hashem, and the name of Mashiach Yahushua. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the last one Kadash Tongue. And I say Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles with Akbar to the next time I will sing Shalom.